All right, so our storm's going to get going late tomorrow into early Friday in terms of building the storm out to our west. Nothing happens here in the Mid-South until at least after sunset on Friday evening. I think it's closer to just the nighttime hours. So Friday afternoon, Friday evening, the evening commute should be just fine. You're able to get home. The kids are coming home from school. We're all settling in and plan on being inside the house for the rest of the weekend, because once it starts Friday night, it's not going to finish until at least early afternoon on Sunday. It could be prolonged a little bit deeper into Sunday as well. Still some questions to be answered here, but also some questions have been answered. We still have some significant disagreement just in terms of how far north this sleet and freezing rain line gets. I don't think it's going to sweep as far north to cover the entire viewing area, at least not our far northern counties, for very long. It is likely to get up to the I-40 corridor and slightly just beyond that for a period of several hours. And if you're far south, you're likely to end up with all ice, essentially, which isn't a good thing. Of course, ice storm is worse than a snowstorm. But even within that, what is the pink, right? Because it depends on the makeup of the pink. It's sleet and freezing rain being portrayed here, but is it mostly sleet or mostly freezing rain? That is a key difference, not only in terms of the forecast that we're putting out now, but also just how you have to prepare for it. With some of the ice totals that we've seen being put out on some model runs, if those were to verify, we have to be prepared for simply a catastrophic ice storm. That has to be in the back of your mind, that if we get to Friday and that's locked in, you should be ready at that point for several days of power outages and all the problems that come along with it. Likely a changeover to snow happening at some point early Sunday or early Sunday afternoon as the tail end of the system sweeps on through. So let's dive into a little bit more on this whole ice storm aspect. Remember I said there's the pink and then it's broken down into sleet and freezing rain. The GFS run here has ice, and it's significant ice by itself, up around a ½ inch along I-40 and south. It's portraying lower ice totals because it's indicating higher sleet numbers, which is a good thing. You want more sleet. We want to avoid ice at all costs. Sleet is just those ice crystals that are melted, little ice pellets, if you will, actually adds traction to the roads. Now, the European model, on the other hand, this is because the models are looking at the atmospheric profile at this warm air coming in above the surface a couple thousand feet up and determining how thin or thick that cold air layer is at the surface. If it's very shallow, we have a high likelihood of more freezing rain rather than sleet, and that is kind of what the European model has been hinting at for the last 3 or 4 runs since late yesterday evening. This puts out significantly more freezing rain, which is a huge problem. These numbers, let's just say they verify. This is a catastrophic ice storm, leads to just complete infrastructure failure in terms of the utilities. Folks always ask about the '94 ice storm. Very comparable. That is what this result would be. So again, we have to be prepared for that scenario until it becomes a little more clear how the atmosphere is going to be stacked up when we get to Saturday. Putting all that together, this is our general idea for not just snowfall, but for general impacts. And I'd say if you're far north or far south, your forecast is very clear at this point. If you're down to Oxford and Batesville and over to Clarksdale, that 278 corridor, at this point, count on an ice storm. Sleet getting mixed in, maybe a little snow, but it's mainly ice. Now you go far north, it's mostly snow. You may mix in for a short period of time, but it, generally speaking, is going to be all snow. So Blytheville, Dyersburg, I put out a couple of days ago, wherever that sleet freezing rain line stops, just north of that, where you never stop snowing, you're easily going to get 9 to 12 inches, in some spots even a little bit more than that. That plus sign is there for a reason. Now, in between those two areas, that's the most uncertainty at this point, because yes, you're going to get periods of snow, but you're also going to get periods of sleet and freezing rain that will cut down on those snow totals. This is going to be the highest area of variance between now and the time the storm starts late Friday evening. So you may see this 3 to 6 go up here, the 1 to 3 comes into Memphis, or if we go the other way, that 6 to 9 comes down to the I-40 corridor. So again, that's the area to pay attention to for the biggest changes between now and when this thing starts over the weekend. A lot of cold air poured in. These are highs for Saturday and Sunday, low 20s. How about the lows though? This is a major problem. Storm or no storm, 2 degrees on Sunday night, 5 on Monday night, and there'll still be a breeze blowing as well. So we're undoubtedly going to feel like it's well below zero in several locations. That is pipe bursting cold, and you factor in the power outage issue, it's dangerous. So you got to be thinking ways, how am I going to keep my family warm if we get into that situation where we're without power, which I think a lot of us will be for at least a few days heading into next week. It all clears up Sunday. We've got sunshine back next week, but it's going to take until at least the middle of next week that we're getting above freezing significantly.
Those low temperatures are very scary.
Way down there.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.